Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set keyboard shortcut to launch calculator in Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one start button, then select calculator app and then drag it to the free space on the desktop. When you see link option, just lift your finger from the mouse to create a desktop shortcut for your calculator app. Now select this one desktop shortcut, right click on it and select properties option in the pop-up. Under shortcut tab, put your cursor under shortcut key and now press any letter or number from the keyboard. For instance, I will press here 3 on the keyboard. Windows will add Ctrl plus Alt to that shortcut automatically. Now my keyboard shortcut to launch the calculator app will be Ctrl Alt plus 3. After assigning a keyboard shortcut, click on this one apply and then OK button. This will create a desktop shortcut for calculator app that has a keyboard shortcut assigned to that. That means when I will press Ctrl Alt plus 3 on my keyboard, it will automatically launch calculator app on my Windows 10 PC.